Dang, third video and we're already getting controversial. Okay, let's do this. Hi, my name is Slush. Just want to start saying that 1. This material applies to you as a content creator. Note that this is just for discussion and I'm not going to rag on anyone for utilizing this trend. And 2. This video does not constitute as professional advice. This is just my opinions. Please hire a consultant for that matter. A couple weeks ago, I was remembering a devlog a while back I watched of Lost Rel Games talking about how devlogs only show the best part of game development. This thought can be brought back to what I coined as the cinematic devlog, where b-roll footage, music, and story beats were added for entertainment value of the viewer, which added unrealistic representations of what game development really was. While this is a topic for another video, I want to delve deeper on that topic but look at keywords instead, not just what content creators are using for their videos, but search results consumers of your devlogs are using as well. Weeks ago on Twitter, I formed a hypothesis regarding the use of aggressive keywords such as dream game, success, and first, and that not only are game devs using this as a marketing tool to highlight their journey and gain views, but that consumers are actually consuming this type of content more and go out of their way to search for it, even if it's considered unreasonable expectations. And it's funny, because when devlogs began to evolve to account for the market need which values entertainment, a decent amount of game developers were against this, and after years of implementation, this cinematic devlog became a mainstream style devlog, along with more analytical ones and ones with quick-paced, aggressive styles. With what I call aggressive titles, using harsh wording for the viewer to click the video, for example, I quit, or my project failed and here's why, or how my dream game became successful. This form of clickbait, especially the use of dream game, is very gray. Is it bad clickbait to use the term dream game for your devlog series, even though you know that's not true? The reason I think it's gray is because how can I, and who am I, to judge what your dream game is? At the end of the day, however, you, the creator, only knows this. But if you never intended this to be your dream game, is it morally wrong to title your devlog that? I peeked around a dozen YouTubers' channels the past week and looked at the new pages for game devs to see what they were posting as well. And while not all devlogs use the word dream game, the ones that have seen use it sporadically. For example, Devlog used it on a few of his videos, while Sovereign Dev only used it once. So was this a test to see how much views get produced by this title? Perhaps. Was it used because it is in fact their dream games? I don't doubt it for a second. I've also found people use video tags such as Dream Game, and if you check Google Trends, though Dream Game can be used for a lot of other purposes more than just game development, it gets searched for more than the term game development and game dev. So if the need to see dream games more exist, why not utilize those titles? Why am I going in a circle? Because I find it fascinating the perception of clickbait and editing styles within the community. With Dream Game, we come across at an impasse because not only are game devs using the term, consumers are searching for it more. I believe that's why some smaller YouTubers channels have their highest video being rated as a Steam video on how much their game made. People are searching for this black and white high value entertainment, man. And I don't think this is going away. Now, can this hurt consumer developers' perception on game development? I think yes to a point, and it doesn't hurt the majority of people. While we should know that nothing is finite, perhaps a more inexperienced developer began using this wording in their game to get traction, and then it gets scrapped after a certain time frame, and then they feel demotivated that their dream game never became successful. Also, a person who's new to consuming devlogs may put unrealistic representations on the industry itself. Finally, it brings up another question. Who started this trend? Was it consumer or creator driven? Is it the internal satisfaction of watching someone make their dream game? Or was it manipulated because watching everyday devlogs may feel less impactful now? It's a crazy stuff to think about, honestly, and a rabbit hole to jump down into. I had to rewrite the script like 10 times because I don't want to knock anyone for using this strategy and trend, because the term dream game is obviously a subjective term. I just want to put out there that this does exist, and I feel this doesn't get discussed. So what do you guys think about this? Is my opinion wrong, skewed, biased, right, whatever? Tell me please. Let's talk about this. I'll see you in the next video. Wait, I just realized I'm probably going to add dream game-like titles and tags within this video. Am I part of the problem? Oh, God.